Hello, good day, good day, good day. Thank you so much for coming through to our channel, May Educating Nations. Today we are going to look into another project in the cryptocurrency space, which is called Solana. In the previous videos, I've done Bitcoin, I've done all other 4 projects. So right now I am here on Solana. Solana is actually one of the blockchain technologies that people really like in the space. So you can see it's number 5 in the crypto space according to the market cap. So let's investigate Solana. So what we're going to be doing is to click on Solana itself. Remember, we are focusing on using CoinGecko, which is the search engine, to come and find information about this project. So we want to investigate Solana. So I've just clicked on Solana. So it gives me information about Solana. So the information I am looking for is sitting in their website. So I come to solana.com. Okay, so let solana.com open. I'll just close the other one just for network. So here is Solana website. I think it looks great with all their colors. Okay, so Solana, we're going to learn what is Solana. So that's the whole idea, so that we can be able to come and learn. Now, I want us to open here. Okay, probably maybe let's read this first part here. Powerful for developers, fast for everyone. Bring blockchain to the people. Solana supports experiences for power users, new consumers, and everyone in between. So it tells us Solana is a blockchain. Okay, so what do they have for us in their tabs? We're clicking on learning. You know, cryptocurrency is all about learning. You will not understand it if you're not going to learn. Now, before I even go further, I'd like you to like my video. Please subscribe to my video. If you like it, click like. And if you want to hear more of these projects, please click on notifications. You're definitely going to get these videos. All right, so we can start here learning about blockchain. There are no bad questions about blockchain basics. So here is the whole information about blockchain. And the next one is intro to NFTs. They also say there is no bad questions about NFTs. So you can come and understand how do they do their NFTs. And the last thing is how Solana is supporting a greener Web3. So these are environmental impacts. So we can also come over here to come and understand the electricity consumption, the carbon footprint, comparison of electricity consumption. So they are actually comparing, like one Google search takes that of electricity, one Bitcoin transaction takes this of electricity, you know, and then probably they say they are doing a better, much better than everyone. So this is very detailed. You know, if they even get to one Google search takes how much of the kilowatts. All right, let's go back and let's look at the next tab, which will be solutions. I am not going to look into developers because we are not developers. So we're going to go straight to solutions. So solutions basically talks to what is the use cases, what is the solution it brings to me as a person. So they're telling us here that they have solutions for enterprises, gaming and entertainment, artists and creators, financial institutions. So we basically are all accommodated, you know. And then they have tools. Their blockchain, their infrastructure is based on token extensions, wallets, games tooling, payments tooling, digital assets, real world assets, mobile So that's their infrastructure. So if you want to build like developers, then they can build games, wallets on Solana, on that Solana infrastructure. Then again, they have resources, solutions hub, AI, and DAOs, which is decentralized autonomous organizations. So this is what they have under solutions. And then network, their resources, they say become a validator. All right, when we dive deep into the resources in the next coming videos, we'll come and see who can be a validator. And then at least if we see that everyone can become a validator, and probably they will require 1 Solana or 10 Solanas. If you have them, instead of just holding them, you can come and be a validator and even earn more of the Solanas. And then RPC providers, network status, network performance, and status, you will be able to see its performance, status. I think it's minute by minute or second by second. So here you build crypto apps that scale. This will be for developers. And then on and off ramps. So probably here you bring your assets to Solana. You can take them out of Solana to another mainnet and so on. And then inspect. These are explorers. So we have Sol Scan. You explore Solana blockchain in real time. And again, we can explore Solana blockchain and indexer on Solana FM. And then the community, you can participate in understanding what's happening in the ecosystem. You can look at the latest in their ecosystem, and you also you can get together with the community during events. They have the collective, which are the people that will help the greater ecosystem. We're going to dive in there and see if there are any rewards for doing that. And then here, community resource hub, how to join in. You get to come to learn how you can be part of the resource hub if you like Solana project. And then they have breakpoints. It's like a come together. They will be holding one December 2025 Abu Dhabi. I don't know whether this is a mistake or it's really coming in 2025. Let me click and see. Solana Breakpoint 2024. See you next year, Abu Dhabi, December. So it looks like the 2024 one has happened. Now they are looking for next year's one. So yeah, there they go. So let's look here. They had speakers. They had Dan Albert, who's from Solana Foundation, and Jeremy Allaire is from another company. I just want to, here is somebody, here is Reg Gokart. Probably before I explain who he is, let me come over here and ask a question on Google. Who owns Solana? So Google will tell us that Solana Solana was created by former Qualcomm employee and Dropbox software engineer Anatoly Yakovenko and his colleague Greg Fitzgeraldine in 2017. Okay, so that's what they are saying right now. Okay, and then in other places like here, if I have to point to here, Solana was launched in 2020 by Solana Labs, which was founded by Anatoly and Raj Gokar. So we have these two, we now have Raj Gokar, even though over here he was not, or he is not mentioned. Now, the speakers, when we look at the speaker line, we see that Raj Gokar was also speaking, who is a co-owner over here. And I'm just looking, I think this is the Joseph Fernandez that they were talking about. And then we keep on going further down and see if we are not going to get anyone. Solana again here. Here is Anatoly. Here is a founder, one of the founders of Solana. So he's a co-founder, Solana CEO, Anatoly Yakovenko. So they are always out there and they're always telling us what will be their next move and so on. But this is something that you don't find in other projects, hey? And immediately if you don't find something like that, you know that you may just be with the wrong company, because if there's no transparency, then it becomes a big problem. All right, let me just quickly get down here at the bottom. Okay, they say they are managed by Solana Foundation. So mainly, so that it's they don't bear the liabilities that may accrue here as individuals. So they put it inside a structure, which is a foundation here, Solana Foundation. And then here are their social media networks. Here are also things that they are able to do. They offer grants. They say Break Solana Media Kit. We'll come and see what's happening here. And then they also have careers for those that are looking for jobs. And then you can also be connected with them. If you are not part of the groups that meet, you can always come and read on the blogs and get to understand the project by reading the newsletters. All right, so that is all that I have for you for today about Solana. So we are going to create our next video where we'll be going a little bit deep to understand what are all these, what's happening here, and all the information, so that we can now get closer in understanding fully what Solana is all about. Otherwise, thank you so much. Kindly like my video, subscribe, and click that notification bell. Otherwise, thank you so much and God bless.